Schools are closed today, government offices are shut down, and if you were thinking of going to the bank, think again. It's President's Day, which means today we're celebrating U.S. presidents, both past and present. Since you might have a little extra time on your hands, what do you say we whip up a presidential favorite? Before we do, did you know that one of President John F. Kennedy's favorite foods was a steaming bowl of clam chowder? And who would have ever guessed that FDR loved an ooey gooey grilled cheese sandwich? Today, we're baking a Southern-style muffin that we think our 39th President Jimmy Carter would love. After making a super moist peanut butter batter, we spoon it into muffin cups. Then, to take them over the top, we finish them with a nutty streusel topping, and into the oven they go. Let me tell you, these muffins are worth a presidential seal of approval. They're that good. On top, you have an addictively good buttery crumb topping, and on the inside, the muffins are crazy moist. To get the recipe for our presidential peanut muffins, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a perfectly presidential way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.